Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use early paycheck features in Gusto Wallet. Now if you need access to your paycheck before payday, this feature is a real game changer. Let's dive in. Step 1, open Gusto Wallet. Now log into your Gusto account at gusto.com and go to the Gusto Wallet section. Now if you haven't set it up yet, you want to follow the easy steps to activate your wallet. Step 2, check if early paycheck is available. Now, not all employees have access to the early paycheck feature, so the first thing you need to do is check if it's available to you. Head to your payroll settings in your Gusto wallet to see if this option is enabled, and if it's available, you're going to see an option that says access your paycheck early. Step 3, request early access. Now, once you see the early paycheck feature is available, you can request early access to your paycheck. This allows you to receive a portion of your paycheck before the scheduled payday. Simply tap on request early pay and then select how much you want to access. Step 4, receive early pay. Now, after your request is approved, the funds will be transferred directly into your Gusto wallet. You can use the funds immediately or to cover any expenses, or you can just save them for later. Step 5, repayment. Now keep in mind, any funds you access early will be deducted from your next scheduled paycheck, so you won't need to repay it separately. And that's it. You now know how to use the early paycheck feature in Gusto Wallet. It's a quick, easy way to get access to your hard-earned money when you need it the most. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.